About to fall apart, already halfway there, so I guess that's a start. I'm just a children's toy for all the girls and boys to break me down and pull me back together, all the joy now. I hang from all the wires and I swing on to whoever's watching us on the night, so I can take a bite out of you. I don't like this. They all gave up on trying to fix me every day. I may not have a grudge against the one they hate, but that will not stop me today. This bad man who made them hurt. All I want to do is help all my friends out. I'm just a robot who can't feel the way my fox friend feels, 'cause he's real. He feels all of the pain. I want to help them take it all away.